Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the Skytech Azure gaming PC desktop featuring the Ryzen 7 9700X and RTX 5060. Click the link below for the best price. If you're searching for a high-performance, visually stunning gaming rig that's built to handle today's AAA titles, heavy multitasking, and future-ready performance, Skytech Azure is here to deliver. Let's dive right into the engine powering this beast, the AMD Ryzen 7 9700X, clocked at 3.8 GHz with boost speeds up to 5.5 GHz. With 8 cores and 16 threads, this CPU is a multitasking powerhouse. Whether you're gaming, streaming, editing, or running demanding software, this processor handles it all with ease and responsiveness. Paired with that is the brand new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 with 8 GB of VRAM. This next-gen GPU delivers high frame rates, real-time ray tracing, and DLSS upscaling, all tuned for buttery-smooth 1440p and even capable 4K gaming. You'll be able to max out settings in titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Warzone, and Baldur's Gate 3, without breaking a sweat. Backing that up is a generous 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5200 MHz, ensuring fast load times, seamless multitasking, and future-proof performance. Whether you're juggling Chrome tabs, video editing, or playing the latest releases, this system stays snappy and responsive. For storage, it comes with a 1TB NVMe SSD, offering blazing fast read and write speeds. Boot times are near instant, and game load times? Practically non-existent. Plus, with that much space, you'll have room for your entire Steam, Epic, and Game Pass libraries. Now let's talk cooling, because performance is nothing without thermal management. The 360mm ARGB AIO liquid cooler not only looks incredible but keeps the Ryzen 7 processor cool under heavy load. The chassis is well ventilated and packed with RGB fans, providing optimal airflow and a vibrant gaming aesthetic. You also get an 850 watts Gold ATX 3.0 PSU, giving you reliable power delivery, greater efficiency, and room to upgrade your GPU or add more drives later on. Connectivity is also on point. This rig includes Wi-Fi built in, so you're ready to hop online instantly. And it runs on Windows 11, optimized for gaming with Auto HDR, direct storage, and a sleek, modern interface. And of course, it's all housed in a stunning Skytech Azure case with ARGB lighting, tempered glass side panel, and a clean cable-managed interior, making it a centerpiece of any gaming setup. To sum it up, the Skytech Azure gaming PC gives you powerful specs, clean aesthetics, advanced cooling, and upgradability all in one ready-to-go package. Whether you're a competitive gamer, a content creator, or just want an elite desktop that can keep up with your demands, the Skytech Azure with Ryzen 7 9700X and RTX 5060 is an excellent investment. Click the link below for the best price on the Skytech Azure gaming PC desktop. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.